I'm so fucking scared to fail my business. A few years ago, when I was getting started in the world of online business, I was going to sell services to agency owners to help them to book more sales calls. I saw a huge demand for that, and I thought, that's what I should do. Except that I was also paralyzed by fear. At that same time in my life, I was dealing with severe social anxiety. I couldn't even pick up the phone to call my hairdresser to book an appointment. I had my mom do it for me. I couldn't leave the house to go for a walk in the neighborhood. That's how traumatized I was. And deep down, I knew that as long as I stayed exactly as I was, I would never become successful. Because I could not talk to anyone and somehow build $1 million business. It wasn't gonna happen. So for 7 months, I really procrastinated working on my business. One day, for some reason, I'd managed to have the courage to open up my laptop, open up LinkedIn, and type a few messages like reach out to some potential customers. But then I could not go back on LinkedIn to look at the replies. I just couldn't because I was so scared that everybody was gonna insult me, judge me, etc. Say all these horrible things about me. But you know what's crazy? None of that actually happened. So the fear was mainly in my head. And then I got a mentor who changed my life because of his teachings. I learned how to sell, I learned how to market, etc. Skills that I will have for life now because I invested in myself. And something that really stuck with me is that he taught you how to think better, how to think like the version of you that is successful. Because his whole explanation was that you try to reach your goals as who you are right now, and then you fail because you're not the person who has those things yet. Like for example, for me back then, I was so anxious I couldn't talk to anyone. And I was trying to be myself and reach out to these people even though I was extremely anxious. So of course, there was a conflict with my identity and the action I was trying to take. So it couldn't work. So what I had to do was to transform who I was, to no longer be so afraid of everything like an anxious little boy. And one day, I had an idea on how to fix it. I grabbed a notebook and a pen, and I wrote down a list of everything I was so afraid to do. Simple things like just calling my hairdresser to book an appointment, going outside for a walk, reaching out to somebody on LinkedIn that could potentially like what I've got to offer and become a paying client. And so every single day, I looked at my list and I forced myself to do at the very least one thing that scared me. And you know what happened? It wasn't long before I started to do multiple things that scared me every single day. And the more I did those things that scared me, I realized they were only scary in my head because of the nightmare scenarios my brain was creating. But they were just imagination, they weren't real. And I can't tell you the amount of people I've seen and spoke to personally on calls that have so much fucking potential, but they're afraid, so they don't take the risk. They don't start the business. They don't make the investment that could change their life because they are afraid. And I have a little secret to share with you. Everybody is fucking afraid. Yes, even multi-millionaires. They're fucking afraid. When they make a new investment, whether it be in a mentor, whether it be in ads, whether it be in real estate, etc., they never have 100% guarantee it's gonna work out the way they want it to. No. But the difference between them and people who stay poor and miserable their whole fucking lives, people who stay mediocre forever, is that they actually take the fucking risk. Because if you don't take the risk, I mean, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck do you expect? Do you expect that your life is gonna change magically just like that? Life is gonna reward you for not taking risks, for being a coward? That's not how the world works. I'm sure you've heard the saying, high risk, high reward. So if you want a mentor, you want to learn from somebody who's done this very successfully, as you can see, like take a look at those fucking numbers. You can just click the link in the description below. There's a quick free training, but most importantly, book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm gonna give you a custom step-by-step game plan so you can start selling online courses, even if you don't know what your course should be about, even if you work a lot already, you don't have that much time, etc. I'm gonna show you everything. And you don't even have to pay for it. If it's a good fit, we might work together, you might become a part of my paid program, but even if it's not, you're gonna walk away with clarity on exactly what to do. A step-by-step plan. Like where else are you gonna find that for free? So if I were you, I would click on the link in the description below, book my free call, and get my free step-by-step plan before all the spots are taken. Because I'm pretty busy, you know, like I don't take 10 calls a day or whatever. I don't have that many spots. And so it's only because I forced myself to overcome all of my fears day by day that I built a business that nowadays has made me more than $5 grand, almost fully profit, like 95% profit in 48 hours. I'm 23 years old, so I beat my record from last year, which was making $4,300 in 48 hours. I made more than 5 grand. I beat my record 1 year later, not even less than 1 year later. And I'm 23 fucking years old. I've got my high school diploma and that's it. I never went to university. I always knew I'd never go to university. School is just a fucking slave factory. I knew I wanted to be free, and I knew I wasn't going to learn how to build a 100k per month business that would give me like the freedom that I've always wanted. I wasn't going to learn that from broke-ass university teachers. They don't know shit. Honestly, I've always find this so funny because people want to be rich as fuck. Like they want the private jet flights, etc., or flying first class. They want the fancy dinners, they want to treat their partner, their family, etc. They want to be, the G's or ballers. But these people never fucking invest in themselves. They've got a profile picture of a fucking Lamborghini or a private jet, but they never fucking started their business. They never invested a single cent in themselves. Or if they had bad experiences, they let that stop them from finding the right people to help them. Like, what the fuck do you expect? Do you expect it's gonna be easy, like a walk in the park, to go have that Lamborghini, or to be able to afford to fly private? You think that just because you put this shit as a profile picture, you're special all of a sudden? What makes you special is not wanting luxury, wanting a certain lifestyle. Everybody wants those fucking things, even broke-ass average 9-to-5ers. Everybody wants those things. What makes you special is putting in the work day in, day out. Waking up early while others are sleeping in. Working while others reading, educating yourself while others are going clubbing. Investing money in courses, in mentorship, etc. in yourself instead of putting that money into the latest iPhone or whatever bullshit you don't need right now. Like, have your priorities straight. That is what makes you special. That is what makes you different. And that is what makes you deserving of getting this lifestyle you want. Because unless you put in the work, it is never gonna fucking happen. And there are days you're not gonna feel like putting in the work. There are days I don't feel like doing shit. This morning when I woke up, I was tired. I didn't feel like recording videos. But once I'm in the flow of it, bam, it goes like that. I'm not struggling with it. Like, seriously, can you tell me a better way to make money? And I'm talking like you can make $10,000 a month, you can make $100,000 a month, you can even make $1 million per month selling online courses. You just teach people what you know, and no, you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be a few steps ahead of them. Right now, if I were a billionaire, I would probably have nothing to fucking teach you, because I'd be so far ahead from you, like, I wouldn't know what it's like for you. But just a few years ago, I was where you are, and now I've made a fuck ton of money, like thousands of dollars per day. So I still know more than you, and I've done more than you when it comes to that, when it comes to online business, but I can still help you because I know what it's like to have been where you are right now. If I were a billionaire, I'd be so far ahead, like, we wouldn't be speaking the same language, it wouldn't work. And that's good news because that works for you too. Meaning, if you're gonna teach someone something, it can be anything. Like, I personally know people who make 20 grand a month teaching others how to play video games, how to organize their photos, and how to, like, paint. That's fucking insane. A few decades ago, you couldn't do that shit. You had to get a quote-unquote real job, like haters love to fucking say. What the fuck is a real job? Any job is a job. So your actions have to be consistent with who you want to be. Don't just put a profile picture of a Lamborghini and then you never invest in yourself. You just watch YouTube videos all day long. You play video games all the time, but you never actually build that fucking business. Because otherwise you're just like 99% of people. You're a daydreamer, but that's it, nothing more. And the world also doesn't give a fuck what you want. The world, the market, people, they don't care that you want to live this fancy life. No one fucking does. You only get to get those things once you've earned them. And most people will never earn them. Because most people just don't have what it takes to take fucking risks, to invest in themselves, to work hard on the right thing for long enough to succeed. Most people don't do that. And it's not because they can't. That's why it's easy to get ahead of 99% of people. Because most people just don't do shit. And that's also why you have to understand that investing in yourself, it is necessary for success. Everything that I know, for example, about sales, I did not invent it. I learned from people who were making far more money than me. If I had tried to figure it out alone, I would have never made any fucking money. Or pennies at best. It changed my fucking life. To get the knowledge that I didn't have. Like sometimes I find it so funny when I'm talking to someone and they clearly need help. They've never built an online business before. Or if they have, they weren't consistent, they didn't make money, or they made $100. Like, that's not success. And they tell me, oh, but I know marketing, I know how to do sales, whatever. You're not teaching me anything new. You fucking idiot. If you knew, then why are you fucking poor? Why have you only made $100? You know sales, you know marketing, but you've made $100 fucking dollars online? Who the fuck are you kidding? You don't know shit. And until you've got that ego of being like, oh no, I know sales, I know marketing, I just need help with, I don't know, being consistent. You don't know shit. Yes, you might need help with consistency, but I can guarantee you don't know shit. Otherwise, you'd be doing the thing. So you have a choice to make. You can invest in yourself and become successful, or you can stay poor. Because if you try and just invent things, oh my fucking god, the years are gonna fly by and you will still be in the exact same spot. So good luck with that. All the wildly successful people I know, I'm talking people who make 7, 8, even 9 figures per year. All these people, do you know what they have in common? They don't really watch free content. Like sometimes they might watch a podcast from one person who's really a go-to in the industry, but that's it. They don't watch free videos because they're busy fucking building. And also the way that they get the information is by working with mentors in group coaching programs, in one-to-one coaching, in courses, in private communities that they have to pay for. Do you understand what I'm telling you? That is what successful people do to become more successful or to succeed in the first place. That is what I do. Because as long as you're lost in this jungle of social media, yes, you get value. Yes, you learn things. Yes, it's valuable. It's changed my life. But I never made money until I invested in myself, had a step-by-step process I could follow every day. Watching free content just keeps you in this loop of fucking procrastination. You do nothing. You feel like, oh, you learned so much, etc. But no. Like the only way you should measure this is how much money have you made from the online business. And if it's less than 50K, you don't know shit. You don't know shit. So don't come and tell me that you know sales or marketing. You don't. You might know the basics from what you've heard online, but I promise you, you don't know shit. And I mean, something you have to realize is that the cost of not taking risks, the cost of not starting your online business, of not selling courses, which is the best business model ever, the cost of not doing these things is way worse than the cost of doing them. Yes, you might have to invest in yourself because you don't know shit. Yes, you might have to invest in ads. You might have to buy a camera or a microphone, but it's not going to cost you like $20,000 to begin with. Like, realize this, to start a business in the physical world, you'd need hundreds of thousands of dollars at least. Are you going to bitch about, I don't know, spending $10 a day on ads? If you do, then I'm sorry, but you don't fucking deserve to be successful. Like, I know some people are going to say, oh, you're super harsh, but what do you think? Do you think that the world is just pretty and awesome and it's meant for you to succeed? This world is literally designed to keep you where you are. If you were born rich, the goal of the world is to keep you rich. If you were born broke, like me, the goal of the world is to keep you fucking broke, to keep you a slave, to keep you a peasant, to exploit you until you die. That's the goal of the world. And if you're watching this, you were not born rich. So it takes active effort to get out of this shit. How come most people who are broke or middle class, they create broke or middle class kids? Because there's a cycle going on like that. And because people just don't fucking take the time to actually learn this stuff. And if you're like me, you would rather be dead than live like a poor man forever. What's the point? Life can be so beautiful if you have money and if you have freedom. That's why, like, I never went for a high-paying career as well. Because I could have made 10K per month, maybe even 20K per month, being a fancy lawyer, a doctor, whatever. But first, how old would I be? Like in my 40s or something? And I mean, I would have no freedom. I wouldn't be able to just travel for months on a whim. Only having an online business gives you money and geographical freedom. When you get money and geographical freedom, and you get to do something you love, you've unlocked happiness. Like seriously, it is that simple. I mean, I don't think I need to tell you how shit life is when you don't have money. I grew up broke. My dad was a nurse, my mom a nursing assistant. We never traveled to other countries. We never did anything. Like our vacation was just basically sweating our asses off because we didn't have AC and we'd be watching TV. Like that was freedom. That was a vacation. And then next Monday, we'd go back to school or work like good little slaves. Is that life? Fuck no. Fuck no, I don't know how you can accept that. Remember this. There is no honor in being poor. So if you are ready to overcome your fucking fears, if you are ready to take risks, you know that you want to build a business right now in 2026, and you want me to help you do it, click the link in the description below, watch the free training, and apply to book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm going to give you a customized step-by-step plan so you can start selling online courses profitably, even if you've never done it before, and even if you think there's nothing you could teach to others. I promise you there is something. I've never had a call where I haven't found an idea for someone. So book that call right now before all the spots are gone, and I will see you on the call.